was doing a tournament on Yahoo, and then I see this. It's me. Right, like. Anyway, Asian daddy.